Hello channel, welcome back to my guys. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make passport from any photo and make it print ready. First, take the size of the canvas 3.5 cm by 4.5 cm, resolution to 300 pixel per inch and click Create. Now, import your photograph into Photoshop and make a rough adjustment to the photograph and hit enter. The adjustments need not be perfect as this adjustments needs to be altered later anyway. Using the rectangular marquee tool, make a selection of the entire canvas, then press Ctrl+C then Ctrl+V and delete the lower layer. Now press Ctrl+T and make the required final adjustments to the photo and hit enter. Select the lasso tool, click on the select subject icon to make automatic selection of the subject, then click on the mask icon. You can skip this step if you do not need to change the background. Select the mask then select the brush. With black as the foreground color, refine the selection by erasing the unwanted areas. Set foreground color to white and paint to bring back any details you erased. Make any other adjustments you need to make. In this case, I'm making the other half of the face a little brighter using curves as the lightness of the face is uneven. This step is just optional and can be skipped entirely. If you want in-depth tutorial on how to use curves or any other topics, make the comment section useful. If you make this far on the video, a sub to the channel would be very much appreciated. Select the background layer. Then click on the adjustment layer icon and select solid color. Select the background color of your choice. Now, go to File and New Document. Take the size of your canvas based on the size of your paper. In this case, 6 inch by 4 inch and click Create. Go back to your passport window, select the topmost layer and press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to make a new layer of all visible layers. Using the Move tool, move the created layer to the newly created 4x6 canvas. Double-click or right-click and select Blending Options on the layer to open Blending Options dialog box. Click on Stroke to make outline to the passport. Make the required adjustments and click OK. While holding Alt key, click and drag to make duplicate of the layer. Position 2 images on the top right and left corner of the canvas. Now, duplicate another 2 in between. While holding Shift key, click on the top and bottom layers to select all the layers. Now, click on Align Center horizontally and distribute evenly icon, then hold Alt key and click and drag to make duplicates and put them in the required position. Your passport is ready for print and ready to shine. Thank you for watching. Ciao Bella.